Department of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Health Sciences, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Jakarta is located in Limo, Depok, West Java, Indonesia.
Physiotherapy is a form of health service aimed at individuals or groups to develop, maintain, and restore body movement and function of the lifespan by using manual handling, improvement of equipment, movement, physic, electrotherapeutic, and mechanic, function training, and communication. The Physiotherapy Department of Faculty of Health Sciences at Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Jakarta consists of two study programs, which are Diploma of Physiotherapy and Bachelor of Physiotherapy Program.
The Diploma of Physiotherapy Program UPN Veteran Jakarta is the first private physiotherapy study program in Jakarta, Indonesia, which later changed its status to a state study program, known as the Academy of Physiotherapy under the Medical Rehabilitation Institute Foundation, which was established in 1983. On September 2, 1998, the Diploma of Physiotherapy Program was operationally managed by the UPN Veteran Jakarta. Currently, the Diploma of Physiotherapy Study Program is part of the Department of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Health Sciences, UPN Veteran Jakarta.
The vision of Diploma of Physiotherapy is to become an excellent, innovative, international quality and a competitive Diploma of Physiotherapy program in the specialty of medical physiotherapy and has a national defense identity.
Our missions are: first, organizing a Diploma of Physiotherapy program with a concentration in medical physiotherapy that is of high quality and outstanding, with a distinct identity to defend the country at the national and international level.
Second, conducting research especially in the field of medical physiotherapy that excels at the national or international standards in order to support clinical practice of physiotherapy. Third, organizing an innovative community service program for health development in the field of physiotherapy at the national and international level. Fourth, organizing a credible, transparent, accountable, responsible, fair, and integrated management of the physiotherapy program. Fifth, creating networks and partnerships with numerous parties on a national and international level.
The Bachelor of Physiotherapy Program UPN Veteran Jakarta is officially opened in 2021 based on the decree of the Minister of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia. UPN Veteran Jakarta became the first public university in Western Indonesia to have a physiotherapy bachelor program. Therefore, UPN Veteran Jakarta is determined to prepare intellectual and independent students.
The Bachelor of Physiotherapy Study Program has vision to become a physiotherapy study program, an excellent, innovative, international quality graduate program that is competitive in the specialty of musculoskeletal physiotherapy with an identity to defend the country. Mission: first, organizing a Bachelor of Physiotherapy program with a concentration in musculoskeletal physiotherapy that is of high quality and outstanding, with a distinct identity to defend the country at the national and international level. Second, conducting research especially in the field of musculoskeletal physiotherapy that excels at national or international standards to support the development of the latest science and technology. Third, organizing an innovative community service program especially in for health development in the field of musculoskeletal physiotherapy at the national and international level. 4. Organizing a credible, transparent, accountable, responsible, fair and integrated management of the physiotherapy program. 5th, creating networks and partnerships with various parties on a national and international level.
The activities of UPN Veteran Jakarta are outlined in the form of the three dharma of higher education, which consists of education, research, and community service. In order to support student learning activities, Department of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Health Sciences, UPN Veteran Jakarta provides infrastructure facilities, including the parking area, automatic teller machine, fields, prayer room, library, toilets, mass classrooms, student organization secretariat, head of department room, head of study program, lecturer room, manual therapy laboratory, and a physiotherapy clinic. The physiotherapy clinic includes a reception area, gymnasium, assessment room, pediatric room, and psychologist room. To improve the quality of students' resources, the Department of Physiotherapy collaborates with several hospitals, physiotherapy clinics, and sports clubs through clinical placement and field work practices. The Department of Physiotherapy provides concrete evidence by producing outstanding students in academic and non-academic activities, such as the activities that have been carried out by students of the Department of Physiotherapy include foster villages, sharing with others, iftar together for Muslims, World Physiotherapy Appreciation Day, Physio Run, Physio Cup, Physio Play, Physio Esports, webinars, workshops, Physio Gathering Cycle, and many more.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Jeremy Halomon Simamora. Teman-teman saya biasa manggil saya JJ. Kenapa saya memilih fisioterapi UPN? Karena pada waktu itu saya lihat di web fisioterapi di Jakarta itu yang terkenal adalah fisioterapi UPN, sehingga saya daftar di fisioterapi UPN. Dan ternyata pas saya masuk fisioterapi UPN, ternyata alumni-alumninya itu keren-keren karena mereka udah banyak di klinik-klinik dan rumah sakit Jakarta serta di tim-tim sepak bola khususnya. Pesan-kesan saya untuk adik-adik fisioterapi UPN sekarang ataupun khususnya nanti teman-teman yang mau masuk ke fisioterapi UPN, tidak salah untuk memilih fisioterapi UPN karena sekarang itu alat-alatnya sudah sangat lengkap serta alumni-alumninya yang udah banyak berkarir di mana-mana, sehingga kalian nanti bisa banyak untuk lahan magangnya serta kompetensinya lebih lengkap lagi. Jadi jangan ragu untuk memilih fisioterapi UPN.
Fisioterapi